How to get a custom playing status on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get a custom playing status on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Discord and make sure you're logged in into your account. So after you've done that, you will see the user settings right here. Tap on that and you should be on your user settings. If you scroll down right here on the left sidebar, you'll find an option that says registered games right under activity settings. If you don't see registered games, you might also see activity status. Tap on either one and there you'll find this option where you can add a game. So if no game is detected, you can simply tap on add it and then select the game that you want. So choose the game that you are currently playing. It should be right here if it's open on your device. So let's say Google Chrome is a game right here. Now I can also rename this as well. So I can rename it to whatever I want. Let's say it's Among Us. Then simply add the game. Let me do that again here. Among Us and here add game, and the game will get now added. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.